So hi, good evening. So what gold is doing today, and we have a negative news for dollar. We have negative news for dollar, and we have a negative news for the dollar. And what I'm expecting, gold previous day low say, in case if gold has come down, as per the news, gold has to pump upside. So what I'm expecting, gold on buy side, BTC on buy side, crude oil on sell side, and Euro USD on buy side. So these are the possibilities for now. These are the possibilities, and then just checking up with the levels and volumes. This is an important level for gold, very important level for gold for now. That's very important level. Let me check with my analysis. So okay, what I'm expecting, gold will be on buy side. Gold will be on buy side. Let the New York session get open. So what I'm expecting, gold on buy side, BTC on buy side. Crude oil can come down because the inflation data is negative. So I'm looking gold on buy side. Let me check if there is any good volumes coming up. So after the news, at least we need to wait for at least 30 minutes so that market can take it good direction. What I'm expecting, gold from previous day low say, I think it will pump upside. For now, it needs to manipulate the retailers now. It's time to manipulate the retailers. Take down. What can we see? Stream is lagging. I don't know, yeah. Why? What happened? Stream is lagging. Something error here. 1 second. $8.50. Yes, it's lagging. I don't know. Maybe internet issue again. I don't know what's wrong going on here. Let me check with this thing. Yeah, let me check with the settings. Let me check with my other system with other ID. I think there's an issue with the YouTube server, I think. Check now once. Check now. Okay. So coming to this, gold, what I'm expecting in buy side, BTC on buy side, crude oil on sell side, and Euro USD I need to wait for that. Okay, as per the news, gold on buy side. So according to the news, its dollar is very bearish. So expecting some buy momentums in gold. 7:30 we can see some good momentum. We can see some good momentum. We can see some good momentum during 7:30. Stay on buys on gold, crude oil sell, BTC buy. I'll update the levels. I will update the levels, but it will take some time. Powell chat आ रहे हैं ना, so maybe on air. Yes, he'll come. 1 second. There was a system error actually. That was a thing which I was little bit late today. Okay. So pivot for now. Pivot. For now, pivot. I'm expecting upside momentum. Target can be 3189 for now. 3189 for now. So gold bullish as per news. I'll wait for opportunity for Bitcoin to buy. I'm completely bullish on Bitcoin. It's coming very slowly, but it is reaching its target. Gold buy, gold buy, buy gold, gold buy, gold buy. 3189 will be the target for now. Let me check, is there any fair value gap or any other volumes coming up on negative. See here, if we can see some good volumes. Good volumes coming up. We have a hurdle here, resistance. We have a volumetric level. So 3189 will be an important level for now. 3189. 3189 will be an important level. BTC, crude oil. Yeah, just I'm making my analysis. Just give me 2 minutes of time. For now, you can stay on buys on gold. You can stay on buys on gold. You can stay buys on gold. 1 second. Stay on gold. Okay. That's a fair value gap. That's a fair value gap. So I can expect pivot level for today, and we have a good resistance at 3220, and we have a good buying power at 3180. Any candle closing below 3180, you can look for some selling. Candle staying above 3180, you can stay on buys. Your first target will be 215. Ultimate target can be 3244. 3244 can be the 3244 can be the good target if bro lagging. There's an issue with the internet, I think so. There's an issue with the internet. Wait, let me check. It's good here, bro. I don't know why it's lagging there. Everyone finding same difficulty? Is it lagging? Can you just drop me a message in chat box so that I can relog or whatever? I will make some corrections if required. For me, in the other network, it's coming, bro. For me, there's no lag here for now. Okay. Okay, for now, expecting gold selling only below 3180. So below 3180 only selling. So below 3180 you can look for selling, otherwise completely bullish, because we have a data very negative on dollar. So what I'm expecting, gold can go upside, gold can pump upside, and BTC also on buy side, crude oil on sell side. But levels, I'll give me some time, at least half an hour, let the market settle. So I will update the levels on BTC, crude oil, gold also, gold and Euro USD. So Euro USD. Stream is lagging. If anybody feeling that its stream is lagging, drop a message so that I can know. Otherwise, it's difficult for me to know whether it is coming good or not. Is it streaming good? I think everybody are busy here. Let me check, is there any frame drops? Any frame drop? No, there is no drop in frames also. It's going good. Okay. streaming is lagging. So okay, then I need to re-log in. I don't know. There's an issue with the internet. I think even I tried 3-4 times for getting logged in. Yeah, YouTube server maybe little bit. So anyway, if it is lagging, I will drop levels in Telegram. Okay. Yes, I will drop the levels in Telegram. I don't know why. Let the market settle down.
Fed funds rate unchanged at 4.33% May 14th.
So we'll see. 3244 is the level to watch today. 3244 will be the level to watch today if this level is not breached. Okay. 3190. Selling only below 3180. If this level gets breached, your next target will be 3214, and the ultimate target can be 3244.
Germany's finance ministry sees
So we have a good volumes at 3180. If people exit their positions from here, so market can come down. So selling 3180, you can place yourself at 3175. That's the only thing we can do for now, because it's lagging. I don't know if people will miss the levels.
To resolve outstanding differences in nuclear disputes. Seeing movement towards the upside, off of the back of their headline there again. Senior Iranian official says Tehran has not received any fresh U.S. proposal to resolve outstanding differences in nuclear disputes. With Germany then,
Okay.
so the German Council of Tax Experts expects 81.2 German Council of Tax Experts expect 81.2 billion euros less in total tax revenues in 2025 to 2029. This is October forecast. And ministers expect slight relief from 2027 onwards for high tax revenue. German Finance Minister Klingbeil says we need to increase revenue through higher economic growth, only way to gain new fiscal room for manoeuvre. Also, German Council of Tax Experts expect 10.2 billion euros less in tax revenue for the federal government in 2026 versus October forecast. And they expect 3.5 billion euros less in tax revenues for municipalities this year versus October forecast. They also expect 1.1 billion euros more in tax revenue for federal states this year versus October forecast, and 0.6 billion euros less in tax revenue for federal government this year.
So there's slight disturbance coming up in volumes.
Enriched uranium abroad if U.S. lists sanctions verifiably and effectively. Sending uranium enriched above 5% abroad has always been part of nuclear talks with the U.S.
You can place your sell limit orders at 3175 below. You can place your sell limit orders, 3175. So if your market wants to come down, 3175 से नीचे आएगा. For now it's bullish, so no problem, but this level is very important. 319094 is very important level for now. So it तोड़ना पड़ेगा. Your first target, second target, and third target. So we have 3 targets, but the priority level 3192 has to get breached with good volume candle. Then only we can see pivot, this level and this level, and if formation of any fair value gap here, we need volumes to get down here. Otherwise people will be very confident, so that if these volumes are not getting down, there will be a strong pullback. So this has to increase, this has to come down. Here we need some sellers to come in, so that sellers will be completely trapped, buyers will take a push to upside. So what we can expect, 3192 has to get breached with good volume candle. 3192 has to get breached with good volume candle, staying on bull side. And we have an order block at the 3192 also. We have an order block and we have a demand zone, a supply zone.
Further detail into this here, Chinese officials in the past 2 months told some of the country's top tech companies that the government will take a more active role in overseeing their data centers for AI and specialized chips for developing the technology, according to two people involved in the conversation. Chinese government wants companies to build new data centers in specific locations that give authorities greater visibility into their operations. Otherwise, it will take more time granting licenses, officials told the company. That could mean China's biggest AI data center developers, including Tencent, Alibaba, Baidu, and Baidu, could face delays.
So volumes coming up in gold. Volumes coming up in gold. We need with good volume candle to breach that 3192. Otherwise, market will take a reversal. So this is an important level. If this level gets breached, first target will be 3200, 3214, 3444 upside. It will take some time. It's not easy. So 730 we can see some good candles come up. Oh, 354 hours candle closed. Okay.
Sanctions, and they pledged to no nuclear weapons and to eliminate uranium reserves.
You can place your sell limit orders at 3175 below. You can place your sell limit orders at 3175 below.
News from the Iranians confirming that they have not received any proposals from the US.
So looking for some buys opportunity in BTC and selling opportunity in crude oil, waiting for right levels. So I'm not in hurry. Only gold on buy side, not touching any currencies for now. Crude oil has to come down as per the news.
According to the Financial Times, Trump's trade war risks U.S. capital flight, according to a warning from hedge fund Elliott.
So that's happening here. It's a small candle, and 5 minutes there's a big candle, and on 50 minutes it's an indecision candle. So we have volumes here. So below this, if candle closes below this volume, that is 3180, you can wait till 3175 and you can place your sell limit orders at below 3175 so that we can see some good downside momentum. Otherwise, it's bullish. $3190. 3192 is an important level for now.
Diamond says some are holding back on investments due to uncertainty.
So gold bullish. It's coming good. Again, good volumes.
U.S. Treasury yields extending for 2-year yield last down 6.3 basis points at about 3.99%.
So it's pumping. Gold. Only crude is going up, but I feel that's a fake move. Take that.
We have posted out the article again with China tightens control over AI data centers, according to the information on the financial news feed for you to read through.
So 3192 is very important level for now. That has to be breached with good fair value gap. Then you can see some good upside momentum to the targets of 3194. Lag. Thoda. It's lagging here again. I think some issue with the internet. So I'll try to stay, but we'll see. But here in the other system it is coming good. There's no lag in the other system. I've logged from another ID, but there's no lag. I don't know why Maybe it's an issue with YouTube server, or I don't know. Need to check it. But here it's getting good. It's it's coming good. Okay, we'll see. I'll update the levels. No issue. If it is still lagging, I'll update the levels in Telegram. I'll update the levels in Telegram. It is coming here. It's good. I don't see any lag in here. So okay, let's see. So gold pumping, and we can see some volumes coming up. Volumes coming up. Gold bullish, gold bullish, gold bullish. Fair value gap.
5 minutes away now from the data for the U.S. industrial production month to month. Forecast 0.1%, prior minus 0.3%, with a range of 0.5% to minus 0.3%. U.S. capacity utilization forecast 77.8%, prior unchanged from the prior. Manufacturing output month to month forecast minus 0.3%, prior 0.3%. In industrial production year on year, prior 1.34%. Also, Trump is to speak at a round table with business leaders. We'll get a video out
So
soon.
that's crude oil, and gold is pumping up. Gold is going up. First target will be 3200, 3214, 3244 will be the targets. Once 3192 level breaches with good volume candle. With good volume candle. We need, I think that's a liquidity area. No, that's not liquidity area. Still we have some volumes here. Still we have some good volumes. 24. Keep trailing your SLs. Just place your SLs to your break evens. Just place your SLs to your break evens. Just place your SLs to break evens for safe side. For safe side. To save your capitals. That's it. There's a news time. Okay, 1 second. So we need some good volume candle on 15 minutes time frame. On 5 minutes time frame it's pulling good, but on 15 minutes time frame we need some good volume candle and fair value gap, followed by fair value gap, followed fair value gap, but followed by fair value gap. I think there is a lag. I don't know. So there's some issue going on. I don't know. I tried 3 to 4 times to log in, but in sixth attempt my live software has got triggered. So we'll see. We'll manage. We'll try to manage. Something is better than nothing. So, but still we'll manage.
Regards to the round table, looks like that's according to road call, it looks like 15 a.m. Eastern time. Looks like that's happened.
So we have an order block at 3192 on 50 minutes time frame, and at the same time we have a PO3 open level at 3190. So 90294 is an important level. 94 40 pips is an important zone now. So we can see some good volumes coming up. Yes. You can see some good volumes coming up. Yes. We can see some good volumes. You can see some power in 5 minutes candle, but 15 minutes candle, when you look at 15 minutes, Roro ke
1
जा रहा
minute to go now to get the data for US industrial production.
That's bullish. That's completely bullish. Candle closing is very important. Make a note of it. Oh God, man. Candle closing is very important. $3,200 can be the target. 3,200 can be the target for me.
10 seconds.
3,200 can be the target. That's a fair value gap. So below that fair value gap, you can place your SLs and you can add your lot size.
0%, lower than forecast of 0.1%. Capacity utilization 77.7%, 77.7%, lower than forecast of 77.8%. US manufacturing output month to month minus 0.4%, minus 0.4%.
Manufacturing also negative.
Minus 0.3%.
So it's positive for gold. That's positive for gold, positive for BTC.
Trade secretary says US trade discussions are progressing well.
Negative for crude oil. Negative for crude oil. Negative for crude oil. Keep trailing your SLs for safe side. Place your SLs below the fair value gap candles, low of the fair value gap candles. Something in green. Don't take chances. Gold bullish. Euro USD from morning, it is acting very weird, and today the strongest pair CHF is strong, so you can trade USD CHF. No, 1 second. USD CHF, yes, USD CHF, and the strongest pair comes to EUR USD for now.
We have tested out the US industrial production April 2025 report on the feed for you to read through.
So 3,200 can be the target. 3,200 can be the target now.
So you can rewatch Trump's business leader roundtable on the feed as well.
3,200 can be the target. 3,200 can be the target. So it can retest 3,188 also now. 3,188 can also be retested now to go upside. 3,188 level can be retested now. There's a chance of retesting 3,188 level. Chance of retesting 3,188 level. It can retest 3,188 now. Gold can retest 3,188. Expecting tomorrow BTC can pump up or after 9 today 9 PM. I expect BTC can pump upside. Pump means that's not like pumping. We can see some good momentum of 1,000 to 1,200 pips. That's it. Not pumping. You can see good momentum of 1,000 to 1,200 pips. So gold can retest 3188 now. Gold can retest 3188. Slowly it's going. It's going good. It's going good for now. Let me check with the gold heat map. Just give me 2 minutes of time. I'm just checking up with gold heat map. Just checking up. Just checking up with the heat map. Gold can retest 3188. Gold can retest 3188. 3195. Okay, 3195, 398.
The US Treasury yield fall further after industrial output data, 2-year yield declining 5.7 basis points to about 3.977%.
So regarding the heat map, what can we expect in gold? One second. Let me check with the heat map. (3188) retest is possible. 3188 can be retested.
Source for the industrial production year-on-year 1.5%, 1.5%.
(3188) can be retested, or the previous 5-value gap can be retested. So as per heat map, we have good buying opportunity at 3195. Okay, where it is trading? Yes, okay. 3195, 3185, and we have a hurdle at 3200. We have a liquidity zone at 3200. Formation of liquidity zone at 3200. 319932. That is 3204. 3204. We can see some downside momentum from 3204. Yes, 3204. We can see some downside momentum. And coming to here, 3199. This is 3191. 3190. From here, 3190, we can see some good buying opportunity. 3204, we can see some selling opportunity. So there are some huge volumes placed there at 3204 and 3199. So either 3199 can be retested. We'll see. So there is a problem with the bookmap gold futures and the present futures, because there is a difference of 40 pips. I don't know why. There's a difference of 40 pips. But it's a live market. I don't know why it comes here. So 3204. Where are we? 3198. So 3204 is a hurdle for now. 3204 is a hurdle. 3200 liquidated. 3204 pending. We have a 3195. 3195, 98, 95, 92. Okay, we'll see. So we'll see. We have few hurdles on the upside. Maybe in the live market, according to the volumes, we can take our decision. But we have few hurdles now at 3200 and 3204. So So liquidation had done. Liquidation is done. Now what? Market will take its direction now. Whether it is a liquidity sweep or liquidity run, need to check with that. Take careful, and I'll be back. There's an issue with the internet. I will rejoin in next half an hour. Okay.